Thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm seeing more subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you. May you share the videos and enjoy. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on Nditungamire Jehovha. Okay. I'm not sure about the lyrics, so I'll try to play and then we see what we can do. Okay. Okay, so basically the song was done in C sharp, so I'm transposed to C sharp. Okay, so basically what I was playing is 6 verse 6. Then Ngari, so we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7, 1. Then again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6, 5. Then that chorus Wompo. So we go from 4, 4, 3, 6. 4, 4. That's the song. Enjoy. Basically the chords are in 3 parts, where the first part will be doing 6, 6, 3, 4. Okay, then 3, then 1. Okay, then 4, 4, 6, 5, 1. So that's the first. Maybe you can write down. That's the first part of the chords. Okay, then the second part of the chords goes like 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 7, then 1, 2, 3 again, then coming back 1, 2, 6, 5. That's the second part of the chords. Then the last part of the chorus is for the chorus 4, 4, 3, 6. 4, 4, 3, 6. Okay. Then 4, 3, 6, 5, 1. Then that's basically for let me God bless you. I love you all. Please keep on subscribing, liking, comment, and share. If you have any song that you want me to break down, just comment on the comment section. Thank you so much. God bless you.